What's up there, Facebook land? It's your girl Sean here, coming to you live from my home office here in Boston, MA. What is going on, my good people? So, before we get started, here to shoot, of course, my uh, day. I believe I'm a day behind, so here to shoot my video for my 14-day challenge. It has been a trying and busy week, I must say. And truly, I came in last night and I crashed because it really has just been a trying week, and it is only Wednesday, folks. But listen, I am super excited. Now, for you guys who've been following me for these last 8 days or whatever, you guys clearly know, again, as I stated earlier, that I'm doing a 14-day challenge. Now, part of the challenge is that we're to come live every day and shoot a live video. And for the last 8 days or so, it has been completely up to us what we talk about. But this challenge is all about, challenge is all about getting better at doing Facebook Lives and just being able to bring some great content to the marketplace. So today, well, for yesterday's challenge, we had to do something completely different that we've never done before. This was the first time so far in this challenge that we have been given kind of instructions on what to talk about. So, you guys know, as I stated before, I talk about travel because I love to travel. I talk about finances and money and credit because I think it's important. It's something that everyone needs to know. I share motivational posts, as you guys are maybe well aware of. I've done a variety of different things and sharing information, whether I'm writing a blog or writing a note on Facebook, just whatever. But today's challenge, or yesterday's challenge, was to talk about something that I have no idea about, folks. So, I'm going to bring to you today's topic is how to install a Volkswagen bug engine. I have no idea, folks, but I'm going to bring it to you. You guys always know, I always got some handy little notes here so I can make sure that I'm bringing you all the information. So what I'm going to do today, as always, is I'm going to give you a couple of tips. And I'm going to give you, let's see, 4 tips to installing a Volkswagen bug engine. All right. So the first thing we need to do is to disconnect the battery. All right. Number 2, we need to jack the car up, and you're also going to need a floor jack as well as a hydraulic jack. Okay. So you want to jack the car up. That's number 2. Number 3. Now here's the fun part, folks. We are going to slide under the car. Now, can you guys imagine me sliding under a car? I can't even imagine me sliding under a car, okay? And we're going to disconnect the heater box cables. And if you want to, slip off the hot air tubes. Now I want to tell you guys, I have no idea what any of this damn means. I don't have a clue. But guess what? Goes back to another video I did the other day. Are you a lifelong learner? Okay, so that's number 3. And number 4, you're going to get a pencil, not a pen, not a ruler, but a pencil, and you're going to disconnect the gas line at the rear and jam that pencil into it, and then you're going to tighten the clamp on the pencil. What the hell is that? Who knows? Sounds like it's an accident waiting to damn happen. I can tell you that much. But that's it, folks. Those are the first 4 steps to installing a Volkswagen bug engine. Now listen. I have, I don't know. I think there's probably 5, 6, 7, 3 more steps to that. Okay? So if you want those other 3 steps, then simply inbox me and let me know exactly. Just say, hey, Volkswagen bug. Just inbox me and say Volkswagen bug, and I'll make sure I get you those 3 steps. But now, if you want to know more about what it is I do in the financial space, how I'm able to help people, I won't say fire their boss, but how I'm able to help people to learn a little bit more about their finances, learn a little bit more about their credit and how it all works, then inbox me and say credit info. I want you to DM me on Facebook here and just say credit info, and I'll make sure that I shoot that information over to you as soon as possible. Again, if you want the other 7 steps to installing a Volkswagen Bug engine, hit me up and just say Volkswagen Bug, and I'll get that to you. All right. So I hope you guys got some value from today's video. This was actually fun, folks. I actually enjoyed this one because it really kind of got me outside of my box today. But again, if you want that information, simply inbox me and I'll make sure that you get that information straight away. All right, guys. Until later, because I will be doing today's video a little bit later, so I'll be coming at you probably the next maybe two or 3 hours or so with that as well. All right, so stay tuned, folks. Thanks again for living in. I appreciate you. Peace.